Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you all are good. So today we are back with our new video. So last video which I uploaded was on basics of family creation. This video will be related to that. I mean this series will go on. There are many things what we can learn in family creation when it comes to basics. So today I have come up with this new topic that is strong as well as weak reference. We Most of us are struggling to understand how strong as well as weak reference plane responds. So in this video we will understand how both of this reference plane behave and how can we make most of it. So this is the sample project that I have opened, but in order to understand, what we have to do is we have to create a new family right from the scratch. So I will just create a simple um, box, and before creating the box what I am doing is I am defining the reference plane. And in order to define the reference plane I have used the shortcut RP, and for these dimensions I have used di. And then once after doing that I will associate this dimension to a new parameter, and let's say that this dimension be length. Okay, so our reference plane are in position. I will take extrusion command and I will draw a simple box, and I will align these boundaries to these reference plane and I will lock it. Let me just give some unusual shape to it. So what I will do is I will use TR to trim off this unwanted lines, and here it's done. So let's just move this reference plane just to see whether it is behaving properly. So now what we have to do is we see here these reference plane, and we'll just extend this a bit. Okay, so these reference plane you see here, there are many options in the properties tab. So here the first option what I see is whether this is a wall closure. And then here when we come to identity data there are name, categories, scope box, everything. So first what we will do is we will change the names of these reference plane. What I will say as I will call this reference plane as strong, and then I will call this reference plane as weak. Okay, so now let this weak reference plane be weak, and this strong reference plane will assign a new property to it. Will say that this has to behave as a strong reference plane. So now we have changed the names and we have changed their property, but still how this will behave, how this will respond to us in the project. So in order to understand that, what we will do is we will load this family in the project. This is the sample project which I have opened, and uh, I will place this here. And once after placing I can see that the family has gone down. In order to bring this family on this face, what I will do is I will select this. First I went into wireframe. For going into wireframe I have pressed WF, and here is my family. Now I will press hidden line HL, and then I will select this pick new host option. I will select this face, and my family will be here on top. I don't want this shaded view, I'll turn that off. I will rotate this family in this manner. And there are two ways for aligning this family to this face. The first option is by using align command. What you can do is you can simply select this face, and then this face, it will align. What is the second option? Second option is you will select this family and you will press RO. Once after pressing RO, first we'll move this family to this face, and I will press RO here. I'll take this option of place, and then I will stop this rotation line on this face, and then I'll simply move my rotation line on the other face of this wall, and see, it has aligned with this face. So this is the uh, These are the two options for aligning a family to both of these edges. What we'll do is we'll bring this a bit inside, and okay, so now here, just to demonstrate how this strong as well as weak reference plane behaves, first we will press AL, which is the align command. And here, when I see, you can see that here it shows this edge has been, I mean this face has been aligned to the strong reference plane. Let us see what option we get here. So as we have stopped both of these faces to this reference plane, hence the name of the reference plane isn't showing, but we know where is the strong reference plane and where is a weak reference plane. So what will happen if I align weak reference plane to this face of the wall? So I have pressed AL and I have selected this face. You can see that this is highlighted by the blue line. And if I align this face of my family, see, my entire family shifts to this face, and over here to this face there is a weak reference plane. But what will happen if I align my strong reference plane to other side of the face of the wall? So I have again selected AL command, which is the align, and then I have selected this face of the wall. And now see how my family will respond to the strong reference side. See, what has happened here is I defined this face as the strong reference plane, so it is not moving, or else it is not aligning my family completely over this edge. Instead, what it is doing, as this is the stronger side, so my family is uh, moving, my family is pulling this face of my uh, generic element over this face of the wall. Okay, let's do this again. What I will do is I will first move this family a bit at the center, and then here I will select this face of the wall. Here is the stronger side of my family. So if I align this face over here, what will happen is my entire, this particular, I mean not entire, this particular side, this particular face of my family will be pulled to this particular face of the wall. But if I try to align my weaker side of my family, it will not be pulled. Instead, it will be moved on this side of the wall. See here. Let me do that again. Okay. AL. Is it clear, guys? So this is how a stronger as well as weaker reference plane respond to us. And here you can see the shape handles. So most of the time what happens is we are struggling, we try to align it, but at the end the entire family moves to that particular side, and there is a gap created on the other side. So this gives us a great confusion. And then what we do is, I'll just demonstrate that also. And then what we do is we understand what is the space over here, 503.5, and then we add that much space, and then we add that much value so that it is aligned. See, again it didn't align. This face has gone inside. What we have to do is we have to manually move this. Okay, so if we are defining stronger as well as weaker reference plane in our family, this will gives us more freedom to control our element. I hope this video was very useful to you guys. So do let me know in the comments, and also let us rise and shine together. So guys, I need your support. Please share, subscribe.